Changing the phone number on your Zelle account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the gear icon or the menu option, usually located in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Select your phone number. In the account settings, find the section labeled Phone Number or Contact Information. Tap on it to view your current phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new phone number, follow any prompts to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to ensure the new number is correct. Once you have completed these steps, your Zelle account will be updated with your new phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle customer support for assistance.